Constipation is a common issue that plagues many, and while fiber often takes the spotlight in solving this uncomfortable condition, there are two essential nutrients you might be overlooking. In this video, we're revealing these key nutrients and why they could be the missing pieces in your quest to solve constipation once and for all. Before we delve into this game-changing information, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. Your engagement supports our mission to share valuable health insights, so thank you for joining us on this journey. The two pivotal nutrients we're focusing on today are magnesium and probiotics. Often underestimated, these nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining digestive health and ensuring smooth bowel movements. Let's break down how each of these nutrients contributes to solving constipation and how you can incorporate them into your daily regimen for optimal gut health. Magnesium, the natural laxative. Magnesium acts as a natural osmotic laxative, drawing water into the intestines, which softens the stool and makes it easier to pass. Beyond its immediate laxative effect, magnesium also relaxes the muscles in the intestines, providing relief from constipation-related discomfort. How to incorporate magnesium in your diet? Include magnesium-rich foods in your diet, such as leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. If you're not getting enough magnesium from your diet, consider taking a magnesium supplement. Magnesium citrate is particularly effective for constipation relief. Probiotics, balancing gut flora. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts beneficial for digestive health. They help balance the gut flora, ensuring a healthy digestive system. A balanced gut flora aids in regular bowel movements and can significantly reduce the symptoms of constipation. How to incorporate probiotics into your diet. Incorporate fermented foods into your diet such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kombucha, which are natural sources of probiotics. Probiotic supplements can also be an effective way to introduce beneficial bacteria into your digestive system, especially if you're not a fan of fermented foods. In addition to focusing on magnesium and probiotics, staying hydrated is crucial for preventing constipation. Water works synergistically with magnesium and fiber to soften the stool and support healthy bowel movements. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider increasing your intake if you're active or live in a hot climate. Exercise is another vital component of preventing and solving constipation. Regular physical activity helps stimulate intestinal activity, promoting more frequent bowel movements. Even a daily 30-minute walk can make a significant difference in your digestive health. Remember, while magnesium and probiotics are powerful allies in your fight against constipation, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. We're eager to hear about your experiences with magnesium and probiotics. Have they made a difference in your digestive health? Do you have any tips or favorite sources of these nutrients? Share your stories and suggestions in the comments below. Your insights can help inspire and guide others in our community who are seeking natural solutions for constipation. If you found this video helpful and informative, please share it with friends, family, and anyone who might benefit from understanding the crucial roles of magnesium and probiotics in solving constipation. Together, we can spread the word about these essential nutrients and their impact on digestive health. Thank you for watching, and remember, taking small steps towards incorporating magnesium and probiotics into your diet can lead to significant improvements in your digestive health and overall well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content designed to empower you on your health journey. Here's to your health and solving constipation naturally.